All right, so welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about the OpenVMM project and running unikernels on it. So OpenVMM is a new virtual machine monitor. It's written in Rust. It was open sourced by Microsoft. They talk about why they wanted to write a new one versus using other projects that exist, like Cross VM and Firecracker, and it seems like all the hyperscalers have their own VMM nowadays. But so one of the main reasons why they wrote this was because of its paravisor support, and they specifically call out using REST async support to kind of help leverage this. The paravisor stuff is really cool, by the way, but it's by no means the only interesting thing in this project. There's actually like quite a bit of random features that I haven't even really explored yet that this project enables. Anyways, you're probably wanting to try it out. So let's do that. The GitHub for this is, as you can guess, Microsoft/OpenVMM. To actually get the binary, you'll notice there's no releases here. So what we do is we go to their CI system. They mentioned this in the docs, but it still kind of took a second to kind of figure this out. Anyways, go to the CI system. You can click on any of these that are passing. So I'll just, click on the first one. And then essentially you want to grab some of these artifacts. So I'll be showing you x86, but they got, ARM64 as well. So we just do x64-linux-openvmm, and it's this guy right here. It's clocking in about 80-90 meg. So this is what you actually want to download. And then you need to grab some firmware for this as well. So you go to mu_msvm. This is the firmware specific to this project that you need to grab as well. This is in releases. So you go over there and you, again, grab the appropriate one, this x64. You can unzip it and it'll be in the FD, that's Frank Dennis folder, right? And then we pop over and we want to run it. All right, so this is how you would actually run it. Let me show you my little example unikernel. It just says, hello from the Nanos unikernel, as you can kind of see here. And what we want to do is we're going to set UEFI to true to enable that, because that's the actual firmware that we're actually using here. This is something that you might not have used before with ops. Except there are certain cloud instance types where we auto-enable this. I think on Google specifically, there's some instance types that we auto-enable this for. But yeah, so this is the only difference here. And then you can just go ahead and run it. So we do OpenVMM UEFI. We specify our firmware, this msvm.fd, and then we give it a disk file, and this is my unikernel that I built, and then just do a --hv, and boom, it instantly boots. You can kind of see right here, hello from Nanos unikernel. It's like 100 milliseconds, something like that. It's pretty fast, as you can tell. And then to exit, it's just like a control Q, puts you into this little shell here, which actually has all sorts of interesting things in it. Encourage you to explore, including debugging capabilities. And you can just do a Q for quit. So yeah, this is a short little introduction to use an OpenVMM, and I think we're gonna see some interesting stuff come out of this project. All right, till next time, bye.